Sikhathi sendaba zesiNdebele sikubekela zona. Unqopho kusuka emzimkhulu we-SABC Auckland Park eJohannesburg. Asitshetshe izikhamba phambili.
I will wait for a full report from him, but at the same time we have noted the displeasure that has been expressed by the United States.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ulindele umzenta weSouth Africa eAmerica uIbrahim Rasool azomhlathululela bona bathi tshelene nazifika kuphi nomengameli weAmerica uDonald Trump.
Currently our raw water supply is approximately in balance with existing demands on a national scale.
Indaba yomhlakho wamanzi yenze bona inkhulu zihlanganise inhloko econference zicale bona kungenziwani ngendaba yokuhlogeka kwamanzi.
This investigation is as a result of an anonymous complaint from the public.
Commissioner wamapolisa waKwaZulu-Natal Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhonazi ufuna istatement ko-IP ngezwa ngebatsho yesenzo esigakaluki. Wonke amehlo nendlebe alindile bonyana bobani abanikazi abatsha besicima sebholo iRoyal AM. Oba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngesiNdebele. Lotshani. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi uza kulinda umzenda weSouth Africa eAmerica uqothiweko Ibrahim Rasool ukuthi azomhlathululela kuhle ngokuxothwa kwakhe. Igama liphume kuNgqongqoshe wezangaphandle eAmerica uMarco Rubio. Bona basafuna nokumbona eAmerica uRasool. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi abe ingcenye yenkulumo lapho batsho ahlathulule uTrump khamselela ukubekelelwa kwamakhuwa phambili ukudlula ezinye intshaba. ISouth Africa ithome ukuthitshelana neAmerica ngemva kokuthi uTrump avale isizo lezemali liza eSouth Africa ngombana aphikisana namahlelo wezenarha weSouth Africa. Okhunye batsho uTrump usadubulele ukuthi iSouth Africa yamangalela umkhozayo iIsrael ekhotho yintshaba-tshaba.
Ibrahim Rasool will be coming back soon as the U.S. State Department has ruled that he is no longer acceptable in the U.S.
Umengameli Ramaphosa utulindele umbiko odepileko ovela kuRasool nakalibeke ekhethwapha. Ukungaboni ngelihlolinye phakathi kwaRhulumende we-US noSouth Africa kubonakala kubaseleko kuyaphambili ngemva kokuqothwa kwaRasool zimphathimandla ze-US.
And he's going to come back and give me a full report. So I will wait for a full report from him. But at the same time we have noted the displeasure that has been expressed by the United States, particularly about the remarks he made, and we have noted that.
ISouth Africa itisasesifiso sokukhulumisana neAmerica ukuvikela ubudlelwano bamazwe amabili la.
We are continuing to engage with them, and as it is now, a great deal of progress had been made by our ambassador in straightening out the path to ensure that there is meaningful engagement at the diplomatic level. So this is a hiccup that we are working on straightening out. So we are not being blue-ticked. We cannot be blue-ticked because we are such an important player to the United States of America as they are an important player to South Africa.
Urhulumende wekhethwapha utukulindela ukwamukela umengameli weUkraine uVolodymyr Zelensky.
Nasedlula kancazana kelezi zokuthitshelana kweSouth Africa neAmerica, umengameli uRamaphosa uvumile ukuthi benza iphozo. Bekufuze bathome msinyana ngehlelo lokuthuthukiswa kwabantwana eminyakeni ema-30 eyadlulako. Nabekakhuluma embizweni yabaholi banapili Early Childhood Development Leadership ebeyibanjwe eJohannesburg namhlanje. uRamaphosa uveze ukuthi phambilini bekunokungavumelani ngokususwa kwamaziko okuthuthukiswa kwabantwana asiyokwezefundo. Imbalobalo ziveza ukuthi bangaphezulu kwe-1.3 million abantwana abangakatloliswa emazikweni okukhuliswa kwabantwana.
Athomile amahlelo wokuchugulula ukuthuthukiswa kwabantwana abasesebancane. uRamaphosa ukholelwe ekutheni lokhu kuyinto ebeyifanele yenziwe eminyakeni ema-30 eyadlulako. Ababelani bayavumelana ngokuthi kunefuneko yokuthuthukisa kwabantwana abasesebancane ephasini lonke nokuthi amaziko ajeje lokhu kufanele abekelelwe phambili.
Minister, you were saying we need to admit where we've made mistakes, and I'm the first in government to admit that we made a mistake. We should have started with early childhood development. Universal early childhood development should have started 30 years ago. That's what we should have done.
Umhlangano lo uveze ifuneko yokuqinisekisa ukuthi bonke abantwana bayawafinyelela amahlelo wokuthuthukisa abantwana abasesebancane.
It will be universal in the sense that as soon as we have ECD centers that are registered, that are on our database, and we're able to support them with infrastructure, with curriculum, and all these other things. So this is why we are saying mass registration is going to be important. We're setting ourselves a very ambitious target of registering 10,000 ECD centers by the end of the year.
Nanyana kunjalo kodwana ziseziningi intshijilo ekufanele kudlulwe kizo.
So the challenge that we have in the practitioners is about the salaries increase, the infrastructures in the centers.
Ngomnyaka opheleleko umnyango wezefundo uhlome ngokusemthethweni ihlelo lokutloliswa kwabantwana ibanapili kanti ikhombela zonke inkulisa ukuthi zizitlolise nomnyango lo.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ngayo indaba engehla le. Asizwe umbono wakho mbukeli.
Ingane ziyophepha kakhulu ema-creche futhi siphinde zikhule zinolwazi olujulile.
Imfundo icala le phansi ema-creche futhi ibaluleke kakhulu kusikhali sebantwana bethu.
Ngoba uzobheka ema-creche yona ndawo labantwana abafundiswa khona izinto eziningi bayebele beyoqala grade 1 nje bese befunde izinto eziningi ema-creche.
Sito sanzima ngama-creche mshaji. Into ezithenga ngama-creche kanye nemali ebhadala njalo ngenyanga ababona mkhathi izisitosi sanzima. Asethembe ukuthi ke lo mbona uveza ngomongameli mhlambe uzasihelebha kuya phambili.
Asethembe ukuthi ke izithembiso zakhe azenzayo izofezela. Kuba kade wakudlalwa ngabafundisi abafundisa u-ECD.
Ngaske yonke lonto ngihamba ngempumelelo ungatyiwa imali kaRhulumente kwinto ezinjengezi.
Lokho kuzokwenza kube lula umsebenzi uma esebengena ezikoleni beqala amabanga aphansi.
Lokho kungayenza ukuthi iNingizimu Afrika ibe phambili ngakwezemfundo.
Umbono wonke wombukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono wombukeli. I-World Bank ithi amazwe ephasini izombelela akasebenzisi imali eyaneleko kumthangalosisekelo wamanzi ocakathekileko. Umnqophisi we-Water Global e-World Bank Group uSarosh Kumaria uthi urhulumente kufanele angezelele imali esetshenziswa umthangalo wamanzi ukuqinisekisa ukuvikeleka kwamanzi. uKumaria bekakhuluma ekonferensini yehlandlala e-18 ye-International Water Association yokubuyekezwa kwamanzi ebanjelwe eKapa.
ISouth Africa ibambe iconference yamanzi kokuthoma ngethemba lokuthola ilwazi elingasetshenziswa econferenceni ye-Water and Sanitation endaba ehlelwe ukuthi ibanjwe inyanga le.
The world is in crisis when it comes to water. We need water security. We are building mega projects of water resource, but that will never be enough. We must all save water. We must all use water sparingly.
iconference le izokuqalelela kakhulu ukubabalelwa kwamanzi nokuwasebenzisa godu ukuchukuluka kobujamo bezulu nokwanda kwesibalo sabantu abafudukela emadorobheni.
Most governments today are in a fiscally very difficult situation. Their capacity to find additional resources to invest is quite limited.
Ikomishini ehubulula ngamanzi nayo ikhuthaza ukusetshenziswa kwetechnology entsha yokubuyekeza amanzi.
With this conference we really are hoping that also with a lot of the technologies that we have developed, that if our own country, as is fashionable, not to take them up, others have done so before, we know, with reverse osmosis and desalination.
Idorobha leKapa sele lineplanti yokusebenzisa amanzi ngokwabuyelela.
Where as a municipality we're preparing ourselves to bring online almost 70 million liters of new water from the water reuse plant.
I-conference le izokuphela ngeLesine.
Ezeconference yezamanzi njalo umnyango wezamanzi nokukhanjiswa kwensila ngamanzi urhatshe inunwana ezidla amathuthumbo womlambo eRTBesport Dam eTlhagwini Jingalanga ukusiza ukuqeda amathuthumbo avimba ilanga ukungena ngemanzini. Lokhu kubangele bona kufe inhlambi. Inunwanezi zithengwe eAmerica njengengcenye yehlelo lomkhandlu ohubhululako iNational Research Foundation neRhodes University. Amathuthumbo layo adunga amanzi kanti sekumnyaka sabalele edamineli.
Well, you'll recall that in the Hartis Dam in early January, there was plenty of fish that actually died here. And that is largely because of the issue that Prof. Julie was referring to in and around the inability of the water resource in itself to have oxygen, because what these alien invasive species do is that they do suck out the oxygen.
These weevils can only feed on the plant that you see behind me. So their entire life cycle, they lay eggs on this plant, they feed on this plant, they die on this plant, and if this plant dies, they will die as well. So they will not go and attack any ornamental plants, they won't attack crop plants, they won't attack any other aquatic plants.
Le yindlela ekuhloswe ngayo ukusiza idami elibona libe nepilo aphela amathuthumbo la. Usitlulo uthi idami libelibe nje kubangelwe kungahlogonyelwa kwensiza zikamasipalata. Uthi nje umnyango lo uhlela ukuchugulula umthetho wezamanzi bonyana bakwazi ukubachuchisa abasebenzi bakamasipalata abathindekako ekusilaphazeni amanzi emthonjeni eqhakathekileko. Izazi zithi kufuze kubonakala umehluko edamineli esikhathini esimizuzu ema-24.
Indaba elandelako iyelumela siyelelisa benhliziyo ezibuthakathaka nabentwana bona engahle ibaphathe kumbi. Bekhabo mntazana weminyaka eli-18 ubudala uRibotile Muloto wakhathuka eLimpopo bakhulelwe zinhloko ngokubulawa kwakhe. Umfundi webanga Thobalo kusola bona uhlatshwa amahlandlo ambalo ahlatshwa indoda ethethe unina kodwana engasiyise wengazi nabeka esikolweni ngeveke epheleleko ngelesihlanu.
Isidumbu somntazana lo sifunyene ngaphakathi kwedamu lengazi. Utholakala sambethe ijunifomu yesikolo ngemva kokuhlatshwa indoda le. Umntwana lo ubhubhele ehlanu kwesikolo iClass Mothapo Secondary School la bekenza ibanga lethoba khona. Iphenyo lamapolisa liveze bona unina lomntwana lo nayo indoda le bebagitshene ngayizolo.
Mapolisa a tlhalosa taba ya tension, family violence, gore ba gagana le the mother and ultimately a decide o tšea maphelo a bona.
Kubudisi kunina lomntwana umndeni uthina nje usararekile.
Re tshwenyegile kudu ka gore metlhape a bontšhe sense of remorse o ba sa laetse o itshola ka kua court a emiša matsogo and a kgona gore lebelela straight ka matlhong o laetša gore yena a regret ka se se diraetšeng e re tshwentše le o feta e oketša letswai modimo a ntho e re nang le yona.
Abafundi abotitšhere nabanye abasebenzi basathotsha umkhumbulo.
Umhlabile ka mokgomolo re a ba kgonagana ene wa re le bana ba rena ga ga dibjale bana ka counseling bana ka cancel e serious le no ba tshoga le foroga ba ya sekolo ba tama ba tshoga le thaba ma ga ba chaisa ko sekolo kwa ba tshoga so o bile kgatelelo go dimaga bana ba rena.
Re kopane mo today go to lwantsha lo demonstrate go montsha re against gore molai a kere bail.
Umsolo uthosa amacala okubulala okuhlelweko ukuthusela nokuchisa. Uvele khotho kaMagistrate weMankweng icala lathwilwa ukunikela umsolo isikhathi sokufumana igcwetha nokuthi kuqadelelwe ukuhlolisiswa kwakhe. Umphakathi uphikisa isibawo sakhe sebhili bekunabachagale khotho. Icala lelithiliswe liveke ezako ngomvulo kiyo yona ikhotho le.
Ukomishinara wamapholisa waKwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ubekelwe bekubenge lesithathu ukuthi azokwenza istatement ephikweni elizijamileko eliphenya izenzo zokuziphatha kwamapholisa emphakathini iIPID. Lokhu kumalungana nephenyo lephikweni endabeni ekuthiwa basho uMkhwanazi ucaphelekile efaka hlangana isikhulu esithileko somnyango wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo.
Ayikabe ukuzwakala kuhle imininingwane malungana necala eliphenywa yiIPID. iIPID estatementini sayo ithe isehlakalo esikuthiwa batsho senzeke eRichards Bay KwaZulu-Natal egwini elingehlagwini. Khola bona isikhulu somnyango wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo esi sebenze ejele iqala kabusha elisempangeni. Imbiko yaphambilini malungana nendaba le iveza ukuthi ungqongqotshwa wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu uvule icala eliku-IPID. Nanyana kunjalo iphiko lelihlathulule malungana netepe ephenyweli.
Investigation is as a result of an anonymous complaint from the public. IPID maintains that although it receives complaints and tips-offs from various sources, its investigations remain independent and impartial.
I-ofisi kaNgqongqotjhe wamapholisa estatementeni iveze bona uNgqongqotjhe akhangabe nengingongoyilo ngomkhwanazi.
We welcome and fully endorse the statement issued by IPID on this matter.
I do want to repeat that I have not laid any complaint against Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi. I do want to state, however, that we need to intensify our efforts on effective and efficient law enforcement in the Republic of South Africa.
Nakusenjalo, kunembiko engakaqinisekiswa eveza ukuthi uMkhwanazi ophenywa yi-IPID malungana nenye godi indaba ehlukileko kunali.
Nasibuya entolo.
The 20th of March only means one thing. It means that the SASSA yellow gold card or gold card yellow card will no longer be working.
BakwaSASSA bathi imali yona izokuba khona e-accountini ngemva komhla ka-20 kuNdaka, kodwa izokuphuma kwaphela ngekarati elinzima. Indaba sekhona lapha Mbukeli, siyakwamukela na ungenawo. Kanina sekufundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. ISASSA ithi laba abathola imali yesibonelelo sikahulumende basazokhona ukufaka imbawo zamakarata nzima ngale kwangomhla ka-20 kuNdaka, ebekusikhathi ebesibekiwe ukuthi kuyavalwa ukufaka kwembawo zokujugulula amakarata nzima.
ISASSA ithi izokuqinisekisa ukuthi kulawulwa umjeje ngefanelo ukusiza abahola isibonelelo sikahulumende lokho nabafaka imbawo zamakarata amatsha. Umphathi we-Post Bank uNiki Mbengashe uthi sekukhutshwe amakarata amatsha pheze asigidi solo kwangokukhula Mungu nyakenye. I-Post Bank ihlatshwe kumbi ngokusebenzisana neParliament ekukhutshweni kwamakarata amatsha la. Kuthiwa ihlelweli alisebenzi kuhle.
The 20th of March only means one thing. It means that the SASSA yellow gold card or gold card yellow card will no longer be working. We are pleading with all beneficiaries to please not attempt to use this card post the 20th of March to access their grant. Your account number does not change. Your grant will still go into your bank account, but the ability to access this bank account with a yellow card will cease as of the 20th of March.
Umjaphethe womphathi weSASSA uThemba Matlo uqinisekise abahola isibonelelo sikahulumende ukuthi imali izokuba khona ngema-accountini abo kodwana izokufumaneka kwaphela ngemva kokuthi bajugululele emakarateni amatsha.
We want to assure beneficiaries that it is in the interest of all of us that post 20th March, everyone will get their money. There won't be any beneficiary who will not receive the payment.
Umatlo uthi balenga ukuphungula imijeje emide eposweni.
Ezemali iranda iqinile nayilinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Ngezemidlalo, abalandeli bebholo yeragwako balindwe ukuzwa bonyana ngubani namkha bobani abathenge isichema sebholo saKwaZulu-Natal iRoyal AM. Ilunga leParlamente le-MK Party uDavid Mazolman Skhosana uqinisekisile bona isichema ebekasijamele sibhalelwe ukuthengwa isichemisi. uSkhosana uthi bekufuze bafumane izamva nje ngesimbi yesine, kodwana ungezwa litho kutsho bona bakaphumeleli ekuthengeni isichemisi. Kanti bayakwamukela lokho. Umbiko ungangena nanyana kunini ukusukela nje. Zanamhlanje indaba esinhlanganisele zona ziphelela lapha. Ngo-7 kulandela indaba ngelimi lesizulu. Bese kusasa ngesiswati ngesikhathi esifanayo. Yukhobongile.